Good. Since you're 5 years old, I get to throw you 5 times. Actually, I get to throw you 6, because you always do 1 extra. And then you get your cookies. Yes, sir? All right. Show me right guard stance. Good. All right. Make sure you fall. 1, sir.
1, 2.
Good. Stand up. 2, sir.
2, sir.
Good. 3, sir. 4, sir.
4, sir.
And last one. Not last one. 5, sir.
5, sir.
Good. All right, now last one. Make sure you slap. And 6, sir. Good job. All right, stand up. Attention stance. Oh. Good. All right, now you're going to bow.